In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable keyboard shortcuts in Gmail. If you want to work faster in your inbox, turning on keyboard shortcuts is one of the easiest wins. These shortcuts let you navigate, compose, archive, and manage messages without constantly reaching for the mouse. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain what to expect on screen, and share a few tips so you feel confident using them right away. First, open your browser and head to gmail.com. Sign into your account if you aren't already. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. In that panel, choose the option labeled See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page where we can make the change. By default, Gmail opens on the General tab, which is exactly where we need to be. If for any reason you're looking at a different section, just click General along the top to bring it forward. This page contains a long list of preferences, so we'll scroll to find the keyboard shortcuts setting. Scroll down the General page until you see the section called Keyboard Shortcuts. It's usually near the middle of the list. Here you'll see two options, off and on. Select Keyboard Shortcuts on. If you're having trouble locating it, a quick tip is to use your browser's Find tool and search for the word keyboard to jump right to it. Once you've turned shortcuts on, we need to make it stick. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the General tab and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload your inbox to apply the setting. If you don't click Save Changes, the shortcuts won't be enabled, so be sure to confirm that step. Now that shortcuts are on, a few quick pointers to get you started. Pressing the question mark key inside Gmail opens a built-in cheat sheet of every shortcut, which is great for learning. Make sure your cursor isn't inside a text field when you try a shortcut, or Gmail will think you're typing a message. Some of the most popular shortcuts include C to compose a new email, J and K to move down and up through conversations, O or Enter to open a selected message, and E to archive. If anything feels off or conflicts with other tools, you can always return to the same setting and turn shortcuts off. That's it. You've successfully enabled keyboard shortcuts in Gmail, and you're ready to move through your inbox much more efficiently.